Hey everybody, we are now live. I am Brian Lones. He is David Freiburger. This is Byron Dragway, day 3 of Dragweek 2022.
Well, that's what I was unsure about. I mean, I'm questioning it.
How much acid would Dennis Wilson had to have taken to envision the somewhat two-lane blacktop 55 Chevy next to whatever that is?
Ty Mason. That is a Factory 5 GTM Supercar. LS Power Plant Corvette transaxle. Ty Mason, a former UDRA racer. Great Midwestern Drag Racing Series, 1162 and 120 for Mason, 1357-111 on the opposite side of the drag strip.